In this quick lesson, we will take a look at the ability of hiding or disabling some buttons. And by disable, I also mean hide. There will be scenarios where you don't want to package the cinematic mode. Maybe this project will not be played in exhibition or on standby mode, so no need for cinematic. Or maybe you don't want to have the ability to take screenshots or the lighting mode. That's fine. If you want to disable these buttons, what you can do is the following. You can press Ctrl space to locate the taskbar and open the taskbar and then make a reference of the button that you want to disable. So let's say in this scenario, we don't want to see the button screenshot. The button screenshot is the name of this button. So let's go to the graph and let's go to the very top where we have event construct, or similar to event begin play. But this one is called event construct when it constructs the user interface. Now, what you need to do is to go to collapse UMG panels. So these are here are collapsed by logic because I don't want to see pound changer or time of day unless I click on them. But let's say with the exact same idea, we want to disable a specific button. So let's say the button we want to disable is the screenshot button. So here under search, you can either copy the name of the button or simply type button underscore screenshot in the search here, and that will locate the button for us. So it's under variables, screenshot, button, screenshot. Let's get it and let's click on the collapsed here or set visibility. So that's one of the best ways to disable a specific button, because if you delete the button like so let's delete the button, now it's gone. If you compile, you might get some errors. It will tell you, hey, this button now is disabled and now you need to work with this logic. So you want to disable this and compile again. And no, we don't even need this because doesn't exist anymore, and now we're good. So let's say if you don't want to deal with that, one easy way to work with this is to simply disable the button. And by disable again, I mean set its visibility to hidden. So let's go here. Let's say the button we want to disable again is the screenshot. Let's type screenshot. I still cannot find it. So here under the taskbar, well, I deleted it. That's why we don't see it. So let's press Ctrl C, Ctrl Z to restore it. And this is the button here. If you click and drag from here, let's search for visibility under variables, behavior, set visibility, and connect this here or connect it to its own logic, so you know this is separate from my system. I actually like to do that more, so that's Ctrl X and Ctrl V and connect this, and let's say buttons we don't want to see, for example. Or in this scenario, we say like hide the screenshot button. Now the visibility, let's set it to collapsed, and that's it. Now if you click on play, here we don't see the button anymore. Now you can still see the button here in the user interface. If you don't want to see the button even here, so you get better idea what's happening, and instead of connecting this to event construct, you may want to connect this to event pre-construct, and this will run in the editor before we click on play. So let's take these both, put them outside on the tab like so, and now notice when we click on compile, the screenshots button now will disappear. So if you want to see the exact result, you want to use then pre-construct. And that will work similar to event construct in such simple scenario here. So if you want to hide another button, let's say we want to hide the lighting mode or the cinematic, all you need to do is to locate that button. So click and drag, and this is interesting. If you click on a button here, then go to the graph, we will have that button selected. So that's good. This is Unreal Engine 5.6. Okay, let's click on get. Let's duplicate this function, connect this here, and now compile, and we will not see the button hide furniture. So you get the idea. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know. As always, thank you for watching, stay hydrated, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.